Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Roborock Flexi Pro. So whether you should purchase it or not, this is what we will finding out in this video. As you can see that currently I'm on Amazon.com and this is the product that we are looking at. I will also put the link of it down in the description so that you could see for yourself. And as you can see that this product received 4.1 stars rating out of 5 and 64 people rated. So the rating is quite good, I must say. The pricing is around $400. So if you want to read the reviews, you can click on the ratings section, and first you can view the images that are uploaded on it by the real human beings. Then you can even read the reviews, what people are saying about it, why they think it is great, why are they interested in it. If someone gave it 1 star rating, then you just have to read why they don't like the product, what is the reason behind that. Afterwards you can make up your mind and you can get the clear insight whether you should purchase it or not. But if I talk about the majority of the people are liking this product. So that was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.